Attention iPhone users, do you want to change your location in game apps like Pokémon, map apps like Find My iPhone, or dating apps like Tinder? If so, you've probably heard of iMyFone AnyTo. Many users know that this software can change your location on iOS devices, but they might not know how it works. Don't worry, this video will give you a detailed guide. First, click the link below to open the desktop version of AnyTo, then download the iOS app from the toolbar in the top right corner. Please use a USB cable to connect an iOS device to your computer. Then click Install to install the necessary files to your iPhone. 1. Scan the QR code by your iPhone camera. 2. Log in AnyTo member account on mobile web. 3. Follow the instructions to download test flight, click Start Test Accept. 4. Install the app settings feedback, enter the keyword AnyTo and email address and submit, reopen the app. 5. On the app, long press on the map, click Move, follow the steps to complete the file acquisition. If you are a Pokémon Go player, please install the customized game through PoGo Assistant before you can use it with iGeo. If you have installed the store version of the game, you will need to uninstall it first. It is advised that you change the location first and then launch and log in the game to avoid being soft banned from the game. After downloading PoGo Assistant, open it and enter your Apple ID and password. Remember to uninstall the App Store version of the Pokémon app first. Once PoGo Assistant is installed, 1. Go to Settings, General, click VPN and Device Management. 2. Find the developer named by your Apple ID and click Trust. 3. Click Trust to confirm trusting the developer. Open the PoGo, long press on the map, click Move. Follow the tips to add the VPN configuration. Enter your iPhone password and select Allow. Next, go to Settings, click General, then VPN and Device Management, and tap Query the UDID of the device and select Install. After that, reopen PoGo. Log in your AnyTo account to complete the file acquisition. Now you can directly change your location on your iPhone. Let me show you. Long press the screen, enter the desired location and click Move. You successfully modify your location. Choose your desired speed and direction, use joystick mode, and you can simulate walking on the map. Let's switch to the Pokémon game interface. Look, you are walking. Of course, you can unplug the USB cable and still change your location on your iPhone. The mobile app also supports different modes: to spot mode, multi-spot mode, and joystick mode. It's really convenient. Let me show you. Long press the screen, choose one spot or multi-spots according to your need. Most importantly, in AnyTo's PoGo TLAS, you can find any Pokémon you want to catch, participate in raids, or ask any questions you have. Simply enter the Pokémon you want to catch in PoGo TLAS, click Move, and you'll be able to reach the Pokémon's location in teleport mode, to spot mode, multi-spot mode, or joystick mode to catch it. Additionally, you can check the locations and times of nearby raids, as well as the dates and locations for Gigantamax battles and team raids, along with Pokestops and gyms. Click Generate to create a route to these locations, and with AnyTo's joystick mode, you can start catching Pokémon. It couldn't be more convenient. With AnyTo's PoGoTless, you essentially have an encyclopedia of Pokémon games. This feature allows you to level up quickly and collect all the Pokémon you want, so get started now. In short, using AnyTo allows you to easily fake your GPS with one click on iPhone without computer. Click the comment section below to use it for free. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.